Okay, looking at a 2014 Suzuki Boulevard C90 BOSS. Adjusting the clutch. So to get the play that I wanted, I gotta pop off this cover here. There's two covers. There's one that comes right here, and another one that covers this section. So the way you identify where it goes, looking up here at the clutch, I've already got it pretty much adjusted to where I want. Where you want is just a little bit of play in here, enough where you can fit about 2/4 in there before like the start position of the clutch to where it actually starts to engage. It might be a little bit wider than what I'm looking for. See if you can see that to engage, but I'm going to be taking on a test ride here. After you get the parts removed, the covers removed, you can see where the clutch engages here is where this little swing arm right here, right there. Okay, as I'm engaging my clutch, that engages the swing arm here. The adjustment is actually right down in here. So what you'll do is you'll back off, these are 12 millimeters. You'll back off this bolt and then use this bolt to adjust where you want it to be. So you play with these back and forth. Once you get that to the width that you're feeling like 2/4 can fit in between your clutch up here, you should be pretty much golden. So tighten it all back up, put it back together. For me, I'm going to take it on a test ride one more time just to make sure my top 4th and 5th gear are engaging properly before I put the covers back on and clean up this nasty girl. All right, thanks for watching.